Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss this example. Okay, so this is an example of triple integration. We are going to see how to solve it. Okay, so whatever the integral we have, I will call it as I. So what is my I? We have I is equal to integration 0 to root 2 0 to 3y and x square plus 3y square 8 minus x square minus y square dz dx dy. So you can easily see three variables are there, z, x and y, and three integrations we have, right? So that means for one variable we have a one integration. In case of triple integration, what we do, we solve the inner integration first, okay? Then we solve the middle integration and then we solve the outer integration. So the inner integration with respect to z, middle integration with respect to x and the outer integration with respect to y. So I will focus on the inner integration. Let me write 0 to root 2, 0 to 3y. We are solving the inner integration x square plus 3y square 8 minus x square minus y square dz dx dy. Okay, so now what is integration of dz? The basic formula is integration of dx is x. This is a basic formula. So here integration of z is obviously z. So let me write, this is 0 to root 2 integration 0 to 3y, integration of dz is z. I should write the lower limit here, x square plus 3y square, and the upper limit is 8 minus x square minus y square here, dx dy. After that, what we do, we put the upper limit, then we put the lower limit. So let us do 0 to root 2, 0 to 3y. I am putting the upper limit at a place of z. So 8 minus x square minus y square minus, at a place of z I will put the lower limit, x square plus 3y square, right, dx dy. So actually we have a minus sign, so that's why I have drawn bracket there. We have this space, let us use, okay, let us use this space. This is equal to integration 0 to root 2, 0 to 3y. Okay, I am solving this bracket first. 8 minus x square minus y square, 8 minus x square minus y square. When you have a minus sign outside the bracket and when we solve the bracket, we change the sign. That means minus x square minus 3y square. Okay, and what we have after this, dx dy. Okay, so let us cancel out the terms if possible. Can we cancel anything here? No, right? But see, 8 is constant, minus x square minus 2x square minus y square minus 3y square is minus 4y square. So dx dy. So in this way we solve the outer integration. Now it's time to solve the middle integration. Middle integration with respect to x. And when you integrate with respect to x, we consider all remaining variables are constant, right? So this is equal to integration 0 to root 2. I am finding the value of integration of this term, getting? Fortunately, we have a minus sign between them. When you have plus minus, we take the separate integration. If there is any constant, we take it outside. So I am taking the separate integration. So 8 is a constant, it will come outside. Actually see, 8 and dx is there, okay? 8x dx. 8 constant will come outside. Integration of dx is x. So you get 8x. So I am directly writing 8x here, okay? 8x. Let us talk about this. Minus sign is there, so that's why I am writing minus sign. See, 2x square dx is there. So what will happen? 2 is a constant. You can take it outside. 2 outside, integration of x square dx. So we know this formula. Integration of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Whatever the power we have, we increase it by 1 and we write the same number in denominator. So 2x raised to 3 by 3. That will be the integration. Okay, so let me write here. So 2x cube by 3. Let us talk about the last term. Okay, so what is the last term? 4y square. So minus sign is there, that's why I'm writing minus sign. 4y square dx. But see, we are integrating with respect to x, that means y is constant and we always take constant outside. So 4y square will come outside, we have dx only. Integration of dx is x. So this is 4y square x. That's it. This is the integration, right? Let me write minus 4xy square. I should write the limits 0 to 3y dy. Okay, so now it's time to put the limit. So here we solved the integration of x. That means at a place of x, I will put the upper limit, minus at a place of x, I will put the lower limit, which is 0 here. So it is 0 to root 2. So x I am replacing by this 3y. So 8 3y minus 2 by 3, 3y cube minus 4 3y y square. Now it's time to put 0. But see, 0 into anything, always we will get 0. Getting? So if I put 0, all terms will become 0. So that's why I'm not writing anything. I will skip that thing since we are getting 0. So here 0 to root 2. Let us simplify it further. 8 3s are 20, 4y minus 1 3 will get cancelled. See, 3 cube is there. Cube means 3 into 3 into 3. 1 3 will get cancelled. 3 square, which is 9, into this 2, 18y cube minus 3 into 4, 12, y into y cube, y square, y cube dy. Okay, some more space is required. Just make a screenshot of it, then I will go further. So let us continue. Okay, so I is equal to let me think, can we do anything further? So 24y is as it is, I will keep. See, we have a 2 terms of y cube. So definitely we can add, subtract. Minus 18, minus 12, minus 30. So it is minus 30y cube dy. Okay, so now just outer integration is remaining, which is with respect to y. Let us simplify. Minus sign is there. So separate integration. So let me show you how we find the integration of 24y. Okay, with respect to what? Dy. So 24 is constant, will come outside, integration of y dy. So we have this basic formula of integration. X raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Whatever the power we have, we increase it by 1 and the same number we write in denominator. Power of y is nothing, that means 1 is there. So 24y, I increase it by 1, so y square by 2. 2 will get cancelled and you will have 12y square, right? So let me directly write here 12y square. So yes, this is integration is 12y square. So now it's time to integrate this 30y cube. Okay, so in the same way we do. Minus sign is there, so that's why I'm writing minus sign. 30y cube dy. 30 is constant, so will come outside. Integration of y cube dy. Same formula, we increase the power by 1, so 4y raised to 4 by 4. 2 we can cancel, so 15y raised to 4 by 2. Okay, so integration is 15y raised to 4 by 2. So it is 15y raised to 4 by 2 with limits 0 to root 2, right? Now we have to put the upper limit and then I will put lower limit 0. At a place of y, I am going to put upper limit. Let us see what will happen. 12 root 2 raised to 2 minus 15 by 2 as it is. At a place of y, I am going to put root 2 raised to 4. Now I will put minus 0. Okay, if I put 0 here, 0. If I put 0 here, 0. So if I put lower limit 0, we are getting answer 0. Root 2 raised to 2. Root 2 raised to 2, okay, I will show you. Root 2 raised to 2, it means root 2 into root 2, which is 2. Getting? So it is 12 into 2 minus 15 by 2. Root 2 raised to 4 means same, root 2 square into root 2 square, so 2 into 2. So this is 24, 2 to cancel, minus 15 into 2, 30. So the answer is minus 6. So this is the required answer. The problem is over. Make a screenshot of it, then we will stop. Thank you. See you in next video.